Hello everyone. Welcome back to Kids Zone, where we bring you honest and in-depth reviews of the latest health and fitness products. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Today, we are diving into the world of amino acids with a closer look at Twinlab Amino Fuel. Twinlab Amino Fuel is marketed as a powerful amino acid supplement designed to support muscle growth, improve workout performance, and aid in recovery. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out first. Let's talk about the packaging. Twinlab Amino Fuel comes in a sturdy, easy-to-grip bottle with a sleek design. The label provides all the necessary information, including the ingredient list, usage instructions, and nutritional facts. Each serving of Twinlab Amino Fuel contains a blend of essential amino acids, including L-leucine, L-isoleucine, and L-valine, which are crucial for muscle protein synthesis. It also includes other important amino acids like L-lysine, L-threonine, and L-methionine. Now, let's discuss the taste and mixability. Twinlab Amino Fuel is available in various flavors, and today, I'll be trying the flavor name. As you can see, it mixes quite well with water, leaving no clumps or residue. And now, for the taste test. That's actually pretty good. This is refreshing and not too sweet. It's something I could definitely see myself drinking regularly during or after my workouts. I've been using Twinlab Amino Fuel for the past 2 weeks, incorporating it into my post-workout routine. Here's what I've noticed so far. First, I experienced a noticeable reduction in muscle soreness. My recovery time has improved, allowing me to hit the gym more consistently. Second, I felt a boost in my overall energy levels and endurance during workouts. Of course, individual results may vary, and it's important to combine this supplement with a balanced diet and regular exercise for the best results. In terms of value, Twinlab Amino Fuel is reasonably priced for the quality and quantity you get. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their workout performance and recovery. So, would I recommend Twinlab Amino Fuel? Absolutely. It's effective, tastes great, and is easy to incorporate into your fitness routine. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Have you tried Twinlab Amino Fuel? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, stay fit and stay healthy.